Alright, guys, let's say our final farewells to our beloved products. No more bleaching. That's over with. Let's say goodbye to over bleach knots. No more leg spray. We done with that. That is it. We done with makeup. We're done with bands. We're done with caps. Like, let's just be done with it all. And let's just accept the fact that the wig game is taking a turn for the better, and it's just getting easier and easier. Okay, these wigs are just blowing my mind. You can put them on and you can go now. You do not have to do all the hassle anymore. Let's get into it. Alright, guys, so this hair comes from, well, wig comes from Royalme. They have really nice packaging. As you can see, it comes in a little tissue paper. Now, this is how the wig is actually packaged inside the box. It has a net around it to protect the hair, which is a great thing. This is the natural just body wave texture that it has to it. It looks really, really nice. Look at the part. I don't even have it on my head yet, and the part already looks like straight scalp. So here's the top of the wig. Like I said, that part looks really good. Here's the inside. I will be showing a more in-depth review on the inside of the wig. This is a new fake scalp method. Okay, I'll be explaining them more later on in the video. It does come with your elastic band. You don't have to worry about installing that yourself, and you can take that out if you want to. All right, you can take it out, and it's adjustable. You do have your combs in the wig. Alright, guys, so I'm just getting a feel for the wig. You guys know that my head is not actually big. I just have a lot of hair to go underneath my wig. So this wig fits pretty snug. I have a large, okay? So keep that into consideration. I would suggest going up a wig size. If you're normally a small cap, get a medium and vice versa, okay? So this is what the scalp looks like, kind of up close. And I'm just going in to comb out that body wave texture, which is really pretty. The hair is super soft and it is thick. Okay, so let's get a up close on what it looks like. All right, that looks really, really good, right? Let's get into like parting the wig. As you guys can see, really nice deep parting, and the parting looks the same no matter where I chose to part it, which is great. Some wigs, only one part of the wig will be, will look bleached and will look good, and when you part it in other places it just doesn't look like that. However, that's not with this wig. So I'm just going in, just doing a simple little braid, and basically I'm just showing you guys that the wig can definitely be versatile, and also it still looks super natural. Okay, so just taking that down, I just wanted to kind of show you guys. Now I'm showing you all how the hair kind of looks in the front and the hairline. So now we're going to get into cutting the lace off. I'm not doing anything special. I'm just basically just cutting. Alright, guys, so to spice up the wig a bit, I added a few curls. I did that off camera. I had to put my wig on a wig head because I'm not good at curling my hair, and I was so afraid of burning myself, and I didn't want to drag this video out too long. So yeah. This step is optional. I'm going in with some got to be gel to lay my wig down. The wig is considered glueless, being that it does have combs inside and also the elastic band. Alright guys, so let's get into this wig, okay? You guys have seen her some specs and also seen me style this wig. So let's just talk about it a little bit, okay? So you guys already know how I feel about this whole wig evolution type thing. I feel like these wig companies are really listening now. They're just taking heed to what we're saying and what we are trying to do. They're looking at our struggles. They're just looking at everything and they're taking notes, and they're making it just so much easier to wear a wig, which is great. Okay, so this company actually improved the whole fake scalp method. Okay, oh Lord. Here we go. So if you guys know, whether you know it or not, there was a wig that came out that also reviewed the fake scalp method. Okay, it was like a big controversial type situation, and it did show a new fake scalp method type thing. Okay, so what this wig company did, they kind of like improved the method, which they did because some people were having some troubles, okay, with the first fake scalp method like wig. Okay, so with this, I'll try to insert some kind of clip or video or something somewhere so you guys can see what I'm talking about and how this fake scalp wig is made. Sorry, my words are all over the place. But if you guys remember seeing my first wig video, okay, you guys can go see it. My first fake scalp wig video, the cap was made the wig cap was made differently. Okay, so with that, some people were reaching out to say, like, in comments, in my comments and community tabs and other people's comments who reviewed it, they're just like, the cap is ripping and, you know, other kind of problems that they had with the cap. Now, this company did improve it. You don't have to worry about the cap ripping or getting a hole in it or anything like that. The way that they've made it now, it is more breathable, and it also will last you a super long time, other than having the whole cap revealed. Like on the first one, the cap was like revealed and it was easy to kind of rip and tear, and you know, it was a lot going on. But they decided to listen to what the consumers were saying and actually make a upscale, better type of version, which I think is great. I think as a company, it's good for them to listen to what people are saying, people who are paying their hard-earned money, and for them to fix it. Okay, make something, you know, better, or just make the whole experience a better experience overall, if you guys know what I'm saying. Okay, so with this new fake scalp, okay, it is a lot different. All right, so you don't have to worry about some of the problems that other people worry about. Me, however, I still have my first wig. I didn't have any of those issues that some of the other people had. Okay, I don't know. I just did. I didn't have a problem with it ripping. You couldn't see it through the I mean, some of these things that people I just didn't have that problem. Not saying that anyone else did not have it, but me, I still got mine, honey. I didn't have, you know, have any problems with that, but I am glad that they did improve it. Okay, so yes, this wig is very thick. It's about 150% density. As y'all can see, I have most of it off on the side. I did put some curls in this wig. Look here, honey, the curls were so big and bouncy and just full of volume. I wasn't really with that. I don't like super huge hair. I don't know if y'all know that yet. Just like I hate curling hair, but I did want to give the hair a different look and feel. So I don't like super huge hair. So what I did was, I've been spending my time like brushing out my curls. Y'all, like, I know that's crazy. I spend all the time to like curl it and then I'm brushing out, but I wanted more of like the whole way, like waves like this. I didn't want like the hard, like Hollywood, like big curls, kind of look like I was about to go to prom or something. I didn't want that. I just want the subtle curl type of look, and that's what I've been sitting here doing, like combing out the curls, taking my flat iron over the curls. But the curls is like so hard to get out, which is a good thing. It holds the curl really well. Like I said, the hair is full and it just looks good. This is what it looks like. Okay, just looks really, really natural, really good. Doesn't have too much shine to it. I freaking love that. This is what the top looks like. I didn't lay like any baby hairs or anything like that. I want to keep it like as natural as possible in the top. So this is what the scalp looks like. The scalp looks like. So this wig can be parted anywhere. Of course, you can wear it however you want to wear it. You can wear it up, you can wear it down, you can wear this side part, whatever you want to do. You can braid it, you can do whatever. Okay, so that is the good thing. And like I said, it's just no effort you don't have to do a lot. And some people, they want, I feel like some people want cheap, but then they don't want to do any work. You see what I'm saying? And I feel like with this wig, you get what you pay for. If you don't want to do the plucking, the bleaching, the dyeing, you don't want to go those extra miles, those extra steps, then you pay to have it done, okay? And I don't feel like this company, I don't feel like their prices are bad, and they also have codes, so look down below and get you some coin off, okay? Because we don't like no money off. But I don't feel like it's bad for what you get. You get a lot, okay? And literally, you don't have to do anything, and it's just a good investment in my opinion. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking because I don't want to like ramble on and on. But I think you guys get the point of what I'm saying as far as like, it's an easy wig, it's an effortless wig. A lot of people are gearing towards wigs like this now, and I think you should hop on the train because you don't have to do anything. And I love it because with me, I don't always have time to grab no got to be glued, to grab no gel. I don't always have time to do that. Today I actually did that because I will be out in the element, the wind is blowing, and I will be doing some activities, and I just don't want to lose my wig, okay? The elastic band is great because the unit does come with an elastic band in it, and you can remove the elastic band if you'd like to. I absolutely love that. So if you don't want to, you don't have to. But I did put a little bit of got to be glue. And that's just me, my conscience. I have to at least put a little old bitty strip on of got to be glue on my wigs, even though they're glueless, because you just never know. And I know how I am, honey. I be scratching in my head, anything. So yeah, you don't have to do that if you don't want to do that. I'm not saying I wasn't gonna ramble, but I had to say that or whatever. The wig is completely glueless, so if you do not want to add any glue or any gel, you definitely don't have to. You could just put on you a wig grip if you like. You don't have to do it either. You just secure the elastic band is what I'm trying to say, and then go about your day, okay? So yeah, it's glueless, everything done for you. You ain't gotta buy no glue, you ain't gotta buy no nothing, okay? But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. Like I said, get you some coin off in the description box. Also look at some of the other wigs, child. I got a whole bunch of other wigs, and I think that's pretty much it. I'll definitely see you on the next one.